Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I start a new series about Python programming. It is a basic to intermediate course. Today I start with a data type in Python. One question comes to all of your mind. Lots of languages are available in programming sector. Why we need Python or why we read Python? In Python is one of the best language in 2023. It is a high level language and it is also object oriented language. We can use Python in every sector, like I write here, write web development, data science, machine learning, ML, and AI, artificial intelligence. Today I teach about data types in Python. What is data type? Data types are the classification or categorization of data item. It represents the kind of value that tells what operation can be performed on a particular data. And data types, now I discuss about the classification of data type. Mainly here I create one chart. Data types mainly numeric data types, dictionary data type, Boolean data type, set and sequence type. Those are mainly data types. 5 data types, and numeric data types are mainly two types: integer and float. And numeric data types are 3 types: integer type, floating number or float type, and complex number. And sequence type also 3 types: string, list, and tuple. Now go to Visual Studio Code and now to numeric data type in Python. What is numeric data type? The numeric data type in Python represents the data that has numeric value. A numeric value can be integer, can be float, or can be complex number. Integer, sorry, integers. Integers number mainly 50, 5, positive or negative number. Those are integer number. If I describe it properly, this value integer number is represented by int class. It contains positive or negative whole number. In Python, there is no limit to how long an integer value can be. Float number. Now next is float number. FLO. Float number. Float number is like decimal number: 60.5, 25.3. Those are float number. This value is represented by the float class. It is a real number with floating point representation. It is specified by a decimal point. It is specified by a decimal point. Now, complex number. Complex number. Complex number is like 2 plus 3z and 5 plus 4I. Those are complex number. Complex number is represented by a complex class. It is specified as real part plus imaginary part. 2. 2 is a real part. Here 2 plus 3j. 2 is a real part and plus 3j is a imaginary part. Now I write down code. First integer number. Integer number code. Integer number code is, suppose x is equal to 60. Print x. If I run this thing, value comes 60. Now we can also check which type is x. Type of x. Print, is it integer type or is it float type or is it complex number? Type of type not type of type x. If I run this thing, it here class integer int. I already told you in integer type int class use. And now if I float type float type, if I run x is equal to a is equal to 60.4. if I print this thing, if I print a and if I also print the type of a and save it, here you see type is float type and is a value of a is 60.4. Now complex type. Complex type is complex equal to 2 plus 3j. If I print this thing, print the b, value comes 2 plus 3j. And if I print the now type of b, is complex. See, complex. And now here in this chart, in this diagram has a sequence type: string, tuple and list. And now I give you example about string. In the string example is, suppose x is equal to hello, how are you? If I print this and print the type of x, hello, how are you? And class is str, string. This is the example of string. And next is list, list, list. In the list we can write down x equal to into the array. We need to write down value into the array, like a double apple, mango, and banana. Print type of x. Here you see list. Now tuple. X equal to in the list we write down data into the array, but in the tuple we write down data into the first bracket. Print type x tuple. You see, now another important thing is dictionary or an set also. In the dictionary, if I give the example of, if I write down the example about dictionary, dict x equal to, in the dictionary it is right into the second bracket, name, suppose my name is Amit, is 26. Now print it, print x, name Amit and age is 26, and if I print the type of x, type of x is dictionary, and next is set. In set we can write down like this. Into set also write down into the second bracket, apple, mango, banana. Print type of x, set. You see? Okay, again I repeat this thing. Integer type number. Integer type number can be positive number or negative number. And float type number is a decimal number. And complex number is, first is real number plus, next is imaginary number. String. String should be any sentence or letter like our name. Those are string. And list. List should be write down into the array. Tuple should be write down into the first bracket. Dictionary should be write down second bracket, and set should be write down also the second bracket. I think that's all for today. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.